Ever wonder why some websites shoot up in search rankings while others get lost in the digital abyss? Just like a well-planned city makes it easier for people to find their way, a well-structured site guides search engines and users effortlessly to their desired destination. This isn't just good UX, it's stellar SEO. By organizing your content into clear, logical hierarchies, you not only enhance user experience, but also boost your site's crawlability. Imagine Google's bots as tourists in your city. The clearer your signs or links, the easier it is for these tourists to explore and recommend your city to others. Authority Solutions excels in sculpting site structures that amplify your online presence. We ensure that your site's foundation is robust, making it a beacon for both users and search engines. So, why is site structure pivotal in on-page SEO? It's simple. A structured site reflects authority, relevance, and trustworthiness, key factors that search engines adore. If you want your website to be the landmark in the digital landscape, start with its structure. And remember, Authority Solutions is here to help pave the way to your SEO success. Now, if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to turn on notifications for the latest updates. See you in the next video.